So guys, watch
They
out
do
out
it
there, bro.
often.
This is just warn any of you guys out there, bro. Please, watch out for these scams, bro.
Oh my god, it's real. People are losing money, bro. Like my friends here, Peter, Uncle, they've been through a lot. Like they've been through a lot, and the thing that I'm glad is they're still here. Some people, when they get scammed, bro, they just get out of the industry and they just like, oh, fuck off. I'm good. I'm just gonna go back to my office. But this kind of people that are super strong. Oh my god, I
Absolutely,
wish.
just come back
Yeah,
strong. It is not the end of the
yeah.
world. Like, come on. I
You
mean,
have
I
you have
just basically
you have
got my
99 days,
salary, so I'm
bro.
just really rich right now. So I'm okay.
You have 99 more
You know
days.
what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, hold on. I have
All
a
right.
question. Do you have Sage
Yeah.
listening to you right now? Because I see a guy down here. His name is Sage. Because these are the type, bro.
Sage.
Why your name is Sage, bro? Like, I see one of the
Ah,
listeners.
you mean Sage? Who's Sage?
Did he
Who's
left?
it?
Because I started talking about him. Oh no, he didn't. He said his name is Sage. You know, there's an influencer that's can lately.
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah,
guy,
yeah, yeah.
bro. Not gonna lie, that guy, bro. Like basically now, bro. CT, bro, is just like normalizing stuff, bro. People like actually like scam people and just like it's like kind of normal now. Cause that guy, bro,
Yeah, yeah.
his project, bro, is like total scam.
It's being normalized. Like they scam people, and then when that happened, they just like move on from it for after a week, and then they just forget about it. I was like,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah, exactly.
this guy just
Because
scammed you a week ago, and you're trusting him again.
yeah,
Like
the
what the
fact
hell?
that they be like, oh, the fact that he didn't go away, he didn't actually scam, bro. He telling people he's building a fucking whatever, bro. Like, watch out if you really gonna, bro, like follow CT, bro. Watch out for people you follow, bro.
Yeah,
Cause like me,
absolutely.
XD, like you, one of the people like I really trust, like eight, like 90%. I trust you, 100%, bro. Cause
Oh, thanks, man.
yeah, I've seen your videos, like I've seen your personality, how you talk and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, I
I
appreciate you a
if
lot, bro.
if you found someone like me trying to scam, that's a scammer. Like I
Yeah,
I personally want to work honestly. Like this is my job. I love doing this for the community, like making content for you guys. That's the main reason why I'm here, like trying to like give education. Because if I can make it, like why can't you guys, right? So
yeah.
hopefully we will all make it in 2025. I do believe that's when most of us will probably having tons of gains. So yeah, without wasting much time, I'm gonna answer some questions here and look into chart because yes sir, that's what I do. Kate, okay, so I see a lot of people are looking into Kate, so let me just check it in. So what's going on with Kate? Oh, it's looking good. To be honest, it's currently looking it wants to bottom out, but the rejection that we got here is quite massive. So I'm not sure if that's a bot or something. Oh, so there's a sell from a whale. So yeah, uh, like I said from before, and I've said in my previous VC, if you guys heard from you guys were there in my previous VC, when Kate was over here, at that time when Kate was over here, I told you guys like anything that pump fast, it will go through a drawdown. It will go through a drawdown, and if some of y'all are in here, like I talk about this, right? I told you guys Kate will literally go into a drawdown. So that's what currently happening. So if we want to see either Kate is going to hold or not, we just want to look for another period of accumulation because that's how the coin cycle goes. That's how the market cycle goes. And if you want to see how the accumulation done properly or not, you don't want to see people selling at support. That's for sure. And now we have established a support. Like before this, the previous support was at above here. You can see, right? The first support, second, and then it breaks down. That's a bad news. That's bad news. Like more drawdown for everyone. So now we're seeing the same thing. We see one support here, another one here. It's coincide with the demand zone. So we don't want to see people selling at support. If we keep on seeing those drawdowns, it's just going to keep on lower and lower, and people start to lose more and more confidence holding Kate. But there will be some part of this community that will still keep on holding and believing in the project. So if Kate is going to be one of the project that will revive soon, it must just keep on building. Like it must just keep on having content putting out. It must just keep on like producing bunch of memes, connecting with the community. It needs to do a lot of things and not just be silent throughout the entire period. So Kate can just like it can just go even further below if we see another weakness in the market. See, like market is still consolidating below the 65k. So I don't know, money is not piling in yet. So it's looking weak, a bit weak. But if we can go see a good rebound from here, an accumulation period, okay, that would be nice. That would be much nicer. So that's my view for Kate. We just need to see if the community can hold and survive, or this will be one of the projects that starts to dice down. But I do believe Kate have tons of potential. Like the potential in Kate, if people starts like focusing on it, you can see like the followers are big. They are even donating money to charity through Vitalik. And look at this. Kate launched a mini marketing campaign. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. They just keep on building and building, and a lot of people starts to like making videos for Kate. They even have listing. You see Mark, this is a big guy supporting Kate. Okay, good. So everything is good behind the scene, but we want to see on the chart, right? So we want to see on the chart. That's all I can say on Kate. So, oh, I see tons of questions coming in. Good. If you have questions, I prefer I prefer answering questions than just showing you guys chart. Okay. Let's just how to view sub-obvious. What's good? Let's go. These are the charts. Let's look into your chart first, brother. What's this? Alpha. Alpha. Reject modernity. Good pump from the base. I like the fact that it starts to consolidate right after launch. And if you guys are always tuning in the VC, I always buy this kind of chart. It starts to consolidate after launch and showing strength, and then we see a breakout here. This is where I take my position. See, that's usually what happened. And yeah, it's either gonna pump 2x or stuff, but this just go way higher, like 5x. Good stuff. If you're already in, take some profits, because new coin like this will go into drawdown if they start to pump directly off the bat. So take your profits, and I do see some correction coming in. Let's take a look. Okay, there is no particular demand, but I can see around this part we see a huge rejection around this level. Changing that. Yeah, we see a huge rejection twice around this level. So that could be one indication where the price might head it to. Or you guys can use Fibonacci, and I try to make it simple. You see? I don't know. See? The demand zone sometimes coincide with the fifth level. So 618 is around the demand that I just marked. So that's a good sign. That's a good support zone. It's a good demand zone, and also a good where everyone is seeing 618 level is around that price. So yeah, good sign. Or we can see a price go back to this low and do a rebound. That's for alpha. Next up, two charts. Okay.
Hey, Bobby.
What up, Crypto Sniper? I see you.
Hey, man.
I forgot to
Yeah, what's good?
message if you can look up Andy on ETH.
Hmm. Yeah. I'll do that. I'll do that after this. All right.
Whenever you get a sec, man, please.
All right. Cool. So, what's it? Random thoughts. Again, new launch, 4 hours. You see some kind of play like this. If they just start if they just start running after launch, that's a bad sign. Meaning people starts to, you see, when it pumps, it brings attention. So when it brings attention right after launch, it won't sustain and it will break down. Because why? Because people are taking profits after they pump. But to follow the example of that coin, what was the coin again? Alpha. If you see in that example from this coin, you see how the chart. This is a new coin. One day, it doesn't pump straight away, right? It starts to pump a little bit, then build a very good basing here, and then we see another continuation. You see the difference here, right? You guys seeing it? Good. You guys are paying attention. So this is generally a bad sign for a new launch. It can pump, but if it pumps and if it's already pumped, expect a very big and deep retrace going lower, into like lower zone. I don't know, down like 80% from the highs, because that usually what happens when prices starts to run up after launch and people start taking profits and they're making 10x in, I don't know, in 30 minutes. Of course they will take profits, right? So that's what I'm looking at for random thoughts. An alternative view is, but it's already breaking down though. Yeah, it's already breaking down. It's already breaking down. Yeah. The alternative view is if it can reclaim this and making another base before moving up. Okay, that's another view. Good. Otherwise, it will just keep on going lower. So you guys are seeing those two examples, right? Good. RT. Clapcat. I'm gonna look into that. Oh yeah. What was it? Andy on ETH. Andy on ETH. Shit. Yo.
Oh, Bobby.
Look at this guy.
Man,
Yo, what up?
I can stay for a lot of time on the stream, but keep up the great work, man. Your analysis are
Thank
on
you, bro.
point as always.
Thank you, bro. Where you from?
I'm from Greece. Now I'm hanging out with a friend. We got a
All right. Okay. Cool. Bro, chill out, bro. Thank you for the words. Love it.
have a good one, mate.
Thank you, bro. Oh shit. Yeah. Thanks, bro. All right, let's look at Andy, who was asking about the crypto sniper, bro. Look at this. This is what I see, and you can see this analysis that I did before, and we see a very big demand here. And look at what happened. The price almost going back into the demand zone, and is just starting to pump. And I see a lot of fake Andy out there trying to join the Matt Fury meta club, blah blah blah. But I don't think they're gonna last as strong as what Andy on Ethereum is holding. So I do believe this is the right Andy if you guys wanna, I don't know, locking in with the long term plays. So yeah, this is what we get. A very good drawdown after a big pump, 80% drawdown, and then we have this base here. Very good. Good consolidation for how many days was that? From 5th August, we got 1 month, the whole month. And this kind of reminds me of Ponky. You look at this pattern, right? If you look at Ponky, it's literally doing the same thing. Wonder if Ponky is going to do the same pump. Look at this. Look at what Ponky is doing. Isn't it the same thing? Interesting. Okay. That's just that. I watch too many charts and I keep seeing stuff all over the place. But yeah, Andy is looking very impulsively, and I do think Ethereum coin is gaining much more strength than Solana coin. Okay, that's just based on facts. That based on facts, we've been getting a lot of Ethereum plays compared to Solana plays because that's where the volume goes to, and this really shows where Andy starts to bound up higher, almost 3x from the bottom. Good chart. Good chart.
Thanks,
I love
bro.
seeing
Thanks,
it.
bro.
Yeah. My view for this is we are heading into resistance here. And a good thing for Andy to do is there's two things it might do. If it can start to break out and consolidate above here, that's a major bullish sign. If we start to see a rejection, there's no problem for that because a good demand is just below there, around this price where it starts to break out before. So this is the two what do I say, two levels that you need to watch. If it's breakout, it needs to consolidate above. If it just breakout or fails or going a bit lower, you still have another demand below. So this level you need to watch. If it starts giving back all the gains and go to the bottom, that's a sign of weakness, and we don't want to see that. That's a sign of weakness. We want to avoid that kind of momentum because that's only losing momentum, right? So we need to keep this momentum going after 80% drawdown. And look at maybe it can consolidate between these levels, right? That's another good sign. So that's for Andy, Crypto Sniper. That's for you. And D. Where were we? Moving on. Someone send this chart. What is this? DYM spot. Good. Okay, I love if you guys can give me altcoin charts. I will love it because I'm looking into altcoins myself. So let's look at DYM. I think DYM is modular, something airdrop from certain place. I'm not sure. You see, but this is my analysis. My analysis is here. I do believe this is in accumulation period, and who was sending this? Dawn 1000 Dawn. Yes, good chart. You are giving me good chart. This is an accumulation period, and this is a bit far. This is a good resistance level that you mark, and we are seeing an accumulation from July going into end of year, and this is the major accumulation that it is having. So this kind of chart is what we want to pay attention to when it starts to break out. Ansem posted something that I teach you guys. I taught you guys this before. Remember market. Okay, let me just look into the Telegram. Market stage. What is it? I forgot. Oh my god. Phases is market phases. Is it this one? Oh shit, I really forgot about it. Hold on. I posted something, man. Phases in crypto market. Is it this one? Is it only video? I don't think so, man. I lost it. But yeah, I think I do believe I posted something about this market stage. This thing. Where is the picture? I remember, okay? I remember. Where is it? Oh my god. Hold on. Let me just go with... Oh yeah, this one. This is it. I teach you guys and I taught you guys about this market cycle. Oh yeah, market cycle. I think that's it. Cycle. Is it this one? Yeah, see? I told you guys. I remember this stuff. I remember what I posted. So I taught you guys about this market cycle and liquidity flow. I'm not talking about the long-term market. I'm talking about like each asset, and everything have a cycle. And if you look at this, I posted this on September 5th, and Ansem posted something similar before, just yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Let's scroll down. What is this? With okay. Hold up. Let me look for it, because this is technically an alpha for you guys. Because if you guys can practice this kind of play, you will literally outperform every single person in the crypto market. See here, Ansem is posting something similar about this. You see this cycle, how the market plays out. We see an S1, which is an accumulation, S2 a markup, S3 a distribution, S4 a markdown. Then we see another thing, same thing again, S1 market accumulation, and then we see a markup and then distribution, the same thing again and again. See accumulation, markup. I taught you guys way before, earlier this month, and you see what Amstem is saying. Like, your only job is to find alts living S1, living accumulation, and not sell in the middle of S2, not sell in the middle of markup. You need to sell during distribution. So you need to learn how to identify this kind of stuff. So you put DYM on the side, but look at all the coins that I shared to you guys before. Look at all the coins that I shared to you guys before. Sui, I teach you guys. The drawdowns is here. This is the accumulation, and I give you guys at 95 cents, and it's just pumping right now, reaching almost 2x. Saga, I give you guys at the bottom here, accumulation. Similar accumulation here. I give you guys at the right spot. What's more, I do have my watch list, and I share to you guys on SCI, doing the same thing, right? It's doing the same thing. You need to find alts that are doing this and not sell in the middle of its pumping. TIA doing the same thing. Venry doing the same thing. Prime doing the same thing. You see the markdown, then the S1, this S2, then don't sell in the middle of S2. It's literally doing the same thing. WIF is doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing, right? So back to DYM. Thank you for the one that is sharing. You see, it is doing exactly the same thing. It's currently in the accumulation, and it's been going on since 100 days ago, which is like almost 3 months ago, more than 3 months accumulation period. That's a good accumulation period. So and look at the volume coming into DYM. This is a sign of accumulation, of spike in volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is accumulation, bro. This is accumulation. So don't fade DYM. I'm literally going to add this to my watch list right now. DYM. Good stuff. DYM. Let me put that there. Thank you. Who shared about this? That's really good. Oh, sorry. Where were we? Yeah, who's it? Oh, right. Thanks, bro. Thank you for sharing DYM. I do believe DYM, when it starts to break out, is gonna go back to all-time highs. But I do need to look into the. Let me just look into for you guys. Look into the project. Just a quick look. Just a quick look. Just want to see what the market cap is. All right, 300 million was the supply. Okay, we still have inflation coming in. What's token unlock? Good. We might see DYM pump before January, because this is where the cliff unlock starts to happen. Yeah, DYM seems looking pretty good. I just need to see a breakout from here. I just need to see a very big push, and then we can start piling in. Thank you, brother. Yeah, who's the DYM. Thanks, G. I shared. Thanks, bro. They have someone like 3D now. Yeah, good. They're always gonna be a story, a narrative behind every single stuff. But I don't attach myself to the story. I just look at the chart because at one point I'm gonna sell. So that's what I already said in my YouTube channel. So let's look at this chart. Nah, I'm not gonna do this. This is, what is this, bro? 1.4K in volume. What is this? I don't know what is this. Okay. I think it's kind of related to some meta, I think, but the volume is super low, and I don't know how this is going to survive. This is super risky, low market cap. If you guys want to if you guys want to buy this kind of coin, be very cautious and don't put a lot of your money into this kind of coin, because you're gonna get wrecked, especially in the current market. So if this if I starts to build up more, you can see a breakout. Okay, that's just my thought on it. I don't want to go deep because this is not my area. Looking good. It's looking good. Top thoughts on Trump? It will be. I don't think it will be top 5 performing, but I think if Trump wins, it's gonna pump. That's for sure, because it's already dumped a lot. RT already did this. Dior is bullish on this. Okay, sir. All right. TCAT. Remove some of the chart. TRON cat. Oh, okay. TRON chain. So as before, it wasn't able to sustain the uptrend that it's having. But as of now, I don't see any dumping coming into the market, but the chart is just being sideways at the moment. I do think if TRON starts to getting more volume coming in, TRON Cat, I think this is like a community-based token. It's gonna get that, gonna get that pump. Currently, like just getting a sideways motion is good. I don't want to see any dump. This is a no-no. So let's just see if the market starts to give blessings for the consolidation and starts to break out. TCAT, my view is very simple. My views are very simple. I don't complicate things. If it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. If it happens, then good. Nub. Oh, it's been quite a while since I look into Nub. I still have my minimum target for Nub going on, but yeah, it's getting more and more weaker. But yeah, anything can happen in crypto, especially coin that is this strong with the community. By the way, do you guys listen any noise coming? Because there is like construction going on. Do you guys listen any, like, if you guys are listening to noises, let me know. I'm gonna close
There is a little noise, but it's okay, bro.
It's okay, right? All right, good. Because I cannot stop the construction.
That's good. It's fine.
Okay, cool. Thanks. So Nub, look, going back into Nub, I think they changed their. Wait, what is this? Wait, what? Are they getting hacked or something? Rebranding? 48 minutes ago. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Something is happening here. Wait, what? Nup is back. Nup won't stop. I think they just changed the backstory behind it. Nup Lords goes too hard. Oh, they are rebranding or something. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Okay. The community is super strong on this. What's the market cap? 12 million. If this starts to run again, I do think this time it won't just stay silent. They will make a proper comeback, because it's been really shitting for the community. They are being fed up with a bunch of stuff. Uh, they just want to see things work out, right? So this is for Nub. So if Nub can, oh, okay, if it's looking good, if Nub can start to really have a proper breakout, and what I mean by proper breakout is break above this high, that would be much better. For now, if you guys want to ape in, do put a very small amount that you guys can lose. Someone said it's $1 billion coin. I doubt that. But maybe it can reach 100 million, 200 millions. Okay, that's gonna be crazy. That's already crazy from the current situation. But to reach a 1 billion, quite hard, because there is multiple coins that is already moving into that direction. And I think Nub is a bit lagging behind, but of course anything can happen, right? So we just want to see the price prove itself. Okay, it must prove itself. So that's for Nub. What do you think about Sobol and Ganon? Are you still holding? Yeah, I'm still holding both, but not a lot. Not Sobol though. I don't hold any Sobol. That's just XC. But I'm holding Ganon. And my view on Ganon is gonna get more and more interesting going forward after they just hired the ship advisor. And you look at the chart, you can see right away it's currently consolidating, like accumulation. You see this like proper accumulation here. Interesting. So I do still hold a bunch of Ganon, but not a lot. But still, I still hold it, because I do believe it's gonna like break all-time highs. It's gonna get crazy, especially with the lore behind it, having a ship advisor into their team. And bro, I just watched their content. Like the videos are sick. Oh, they just have a weekly recap. Super active, bro. Like the team is super active. Look at that. Look at that. This is one of the this is kind of coin that you want to bet for the bull run. The price is holding, while because number one thing that I watch always is chart. Okay, I always watch chart first. So if the chart is good, then I look at the team, and look at it. Like this is super active. They are very on the right spot. And let me see if I can find the video though. There's like, look at that. It's not easy to do stuff like this. This is a Naruto kind of animation, but they've been killing it. So the best thing that I want to see is, of course, more consolidation, and then we will see a big rip that just shock everyone going to the highs. I will post this later on the day, but heads up to you. Ganon. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ganon. Can you review your top 3 memes? My top 3 meme coins is, let me see. With number 1, with no doubt, Popcat. Number 2, if you want to ask me my top 3 memes, I will answer in the top 3 memes that I see having a lot of potential going forward. Number 1 is with, of course, no doubt. Second, Popcat, multi-billions. Like, bro, if Popcat reach 5 billions from here, you guys need to thank me because that's another 5x for you guys. Popcat is literally going to go to 5 billion minimum. Okay, I'm telling you guys, minimum. So the next one is Giga. This is my top 3 coins. With Popcat Giga. If you guys have 10,000, this is where you want to be at. Okay? Because the chart shows strength. Giga is showing strength, Whiff is showing accumulation, and Popcat is showing it's leading the pack. So that's my top 3 coins. Answer that. What's your price prediction for Pepe? Good answer. I do see Pepe reaching $10 billion market cap minimum, because currently it's sitting at 3 billion, if I'm not mistaken. I love how I say minimum. A minimum. So yeah, 3.4 billion market cap, reaching 10 billion. What's the all-time highs? All-time highs 6 billion. Okay, it's gonna break that for sure. So here's the thing. I saw Pepe around this price, but I didn't bought in. But I bought in around here. So yeah, glad. Good story. The pump happened in 2024, like earlier this year. So good shit. Pepe, after the big pump, it needs tons of consolidation going forward. If you guys can see the pump here, that's 18x from Pepe itself after listed on Binance. Okay, after listed on Binance, and this thing that happened, the playbook, you guys can see the accumulation period, 295 days, and then we see a pump. You guys want to see what's the same thing? What's the coin that doing the same thing as Pepe before? Doge. Doge been doing the same thing after it's been listed on Binance. Look at that. So after it's been listed on Binance, it starts to consolidate for how long? For 500 days. That's like almost 2 freaking years after being listed on Binance. You see, after being listed on Binance, 2 freaking years of a whole accumulation period, and then, bro, we see that big rip. Look at this. That's like 169x. Is that? Yeah. So crazy. So Pepe is doing the same thing as Doge before, and to see this meta going forward, I do believe it's going to break all-time highs. And my target, you asked me my target, right? Price prediction, 10 billion market cap. Okay, 10 billion market cap. So it's going to break that, reaching 10 billion. That's my target. How do you work out profits? When to sell? I can't seem to track of my profits. Lol. If you can't keep track of your profits, it's either mean between these few things. It means you have a lot of stuff in your position. That's a bad sign. Okay, you don't need to buy a lot of coin. Second stuff is you just randomly buy stuff. Okay, randomly buy stuff. You don't have a proper buying system. And if you ask me how to sell, like I already shared to you guys how to sell, how to take profits. Yeah, this is the thing that you can learn that I posted before. So take a look and read it here. How to take profits. Good day, Sir Xie and Bobby. Thank you. GM Bobby James. I'm 16 years old, Nigerian, and I'm aiming to study in Australia. Good. I'm doing the same thing. I'm studying abroad. I believe I can achieve this through meme coins. Okay. Even though I'm aware of the risks involved, currently I'm in process of raising liquidity through Web3 jobs. Do you think meme coins still have potential to perform well next year? My answer is yes. This is going to be a meme coin super cycle. Trust me, this is going to be a meme coin super cycle. Because why? Because when we see a lot of saturation in the altcoins, when big people like the VC, the banking, and this kind of system, when they start to buy altcoins, meme coin is going to outperform them, because that's just the consensus of the market when they start to taking power. Like, we have the power here. Meme is the power to community. Even altcoins, like altcoins itself, it doesn't matter what the product is. Okay, it can be a very shitty like super shit product, but if it gets the hype, if it gets the attention, if it gets the money flowing in, it will pump. So if you ask me, do you think meme coins still have the potential to perform well next year? Yes. My answer is yes. But you just really need to be very, very picky, because the market is overflowed with tons of meme coins. So pick a very, very good high blue chip meme coins and ape that shit with size, okay? Is it as easy as it sounds? Just hold and wait and take profits? Currently just holding it. Yes. Yes. It's easy when you say it, but you know what's hard? Holding. You think holding Pepe for 190 days is easy? After you're being down like 90% from the highs for 190 days? That's the hard part. Holding. You can say it easily. Just hold. But when you hold, you know the pain. When you hold, you know the pain, okay? Can you talk about clap? I think that's a meme. Clapcat, if I'm not mistaken. Clapcat. Okay, good shit. Good shit. It's looking strong. Good stuff. It's looking strong. If I'm seeing right, Clapcat is forming a very, very good upward accumulation pattern. If it doesn't break, of course, if it doesn't break lower, it's just forming this kind of stuff like accumulation here, another accumulation here, and then it starts to do this. This starts to break out. The thing about Clapcat is I see it as the beta move of Popcat. You see, Popcat is going crazy, right? Almost breaking all-time highs. So like Clapcat is the beta move for Popcat. So if something like this can happen, good. Okay, good. Hoping for this. Clap. I don't know if you're knowledgeable, but how can? Okay, I'm gonna go into that. Have you seen how Bitcoin and Caspa basically followed the same chart pattern? Good question. Like good. I like that because yes, I have been looking at Caspa and also a bunch of coin that are in the same sector of Caspa, because I do believe I'm already super late to Caspa and I want to find other coins. Of course, we tend to do that a lot. We try to find the better move of certain thing that's already pumped. Every coin that are in a proof of work, Caspa is a proof of work. If you guys didn't know, it's a proof of work. It's similar to Bitcoin, meaning you need to mine, ting, and then you get Caspa. Ting, and then you get Bitcoin. Something like that. It's a proof of work. So Caspa is in that similar category as Bitcoin, proof of work, but of course it has like a little bit like different stuff that makes it have its own uniqueness. So of course it follows Bitcoin, right? And the thing that I like about Caspa is while every coin is down 80% from the highs, you look at Caspa, it's down 40%. 40 freaking percent. 40 freaking percent. This is for how many, like for almost a year now. It's holding super strong. So Caspa is sitting at 4 billion, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I know my stuff. I watched this before. 4 billion. So my target for Caspa is 2x from here. 8 billion market cap. And that is for this sector. POW, proof of work. Okay, if you guys click this, proof of work, you can see which coin is leading. You see Caspa here. Other than that, it's just a bunch of old coins like Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Doesn't matter. But Caspa is the top here. Like new coin that brings revolution. So for this coin to reach market cap of 2x from here during the bull market, super easy. Super easy. And my another target for Caspa of like the beta of Caspa is KDA and also Lithium. I'm looking into Lithium myself. This is a Lithium chart that I have. Where's my Lithium? Wait, what? Where is my Lithium? Oh, here. Yeah, this is my Lithium chart. I have a YouTube video about this and I'm gonna post it later. So just stay tuned, right? So yes, says, yes, sir. Caspa is moving the same as Bitcoin, and I do think it's going to outperform most of the alts because a lot of people still fading Caspa. I don't know why. Bobby James question for some. Who's that? Zen, bro. I see you're opening your mic. Something good? What up, brother?
Yeah, man. Can I ask about selfie?
Oh yeah. I look about selfie before. Selfie, a good community token, like for sure. Selfie, yeah, looking good. It's looking very bullish. It kind of reminds me of Inu chart. If you guys know Inu, let me show you. Look at how it starts to break down and then build accumulation, and it starts to go up, consolidate, testing the support, and then starts to pump back to all-time highs. Look at the similarity here. It's kind of like breaking down above and starts to retest and then consolidate between these two ranges. So good if it can still accumulate and starts to break out. And I don't think it's gonna go like drop lower because people are fully aping into this coin as gaining a lot of attention on crypto Twitter. I see a lot of people start saying that, oh, Selfie is the next 100 million coin. Selfie is the next 100 million coin. So they want to ape this coin so bad, and I don't think if it's gonna go lower, it's gonna be a big FUD. It's gonna be a big sell off, and people just gonna buy that shit super super a lot. It's maybe gonna go lower and higher, something like that. So for Selfie, I do think it's showing a good strength, and it's currently outperforming a bunch of the coin on my watch list either. So good stuff. And the community token is the meta right now. So yeah, that's for you, Zen.
Thanks, man.
All right, no problem. I do think it's gonna break all-time highs though. Question for someone who is expecting funds ending of this September and early October. Okay, I like this question. What move would you suggest I make in investing in altcoins? Hope I'm not late by then. You're not. Being a student in a higher institution, how do you suggest I treat and balance schoolwork if I'm only free around this time we're having this VC? Are you here, bro? Are you here? I want to answer this for you. What's your name? Love Gra. Are you here? Okay, you're here. Okay, good. Let me talk to you. What up, bro? I open your mic. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, man. Good question. I love this kind of stuff.
Hello. Yes, sir. I'm here. Hello.
Yo.
Hello. Yes, sir. I'm here. I can hear you.
Okay, cool.
Hello.
I'm gonna answer your question. So, you're a student. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria. Yes.
Ah, okay. So you were expecting funds from work, or is it from something?
Just a few airdrop. I don't have any work for now. A few airdrop, and I'm not
Oh,
sure
what
of
was it?
really how much. Sadly,
Is
I'm
it
gonna
Egan?
get from it.
Egan,
You
right?
said?
I'm farming it too.
Okay, no, not Egan. Just few TG mini apps.
I see. Okay. Good. That's the way for you to start from zero capital in crypto. You farm airdrops. Not zero capital, but with limited capital. So good. I love what Love Gragra did here. He started with farming airdrops and stuff. I personally did that last year. And yeah, I got a bunch of airdrop from Arbitrum, from Lazy Zero, from what more? Notcoin, stuff like that. For
Awesome.
someone who's expecting funds endings, thank you. This September, early October. So if you have the funds coming into your pocket, and if you don't have any extra funds beside that, you really need to separate your personal life funds and also your investing funds. Okay, so now I try to take in from the point of view that you want to invest this coin and you are willing to lose this coin. Okay, you're willing to lose this fund. So now, what's the move here? I suggest for you, if the fund is small, if the fund is limited, don't over diversify it. Don't
Okay.
like, for example, if you get $500 or $200 from this airdrop, $200, if you were to ask me, that's still quite some amount, okay? But if you have $200 and you put into 6 different coins, that doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Or into 10 different coins, like $20 into each coin. It doesn't make sense at all. Okay? So if you have $200, you do your research into what altcoins is gonna be very good for you. Maybe some that I already considered. Oh my! I hear my voice.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you all.
Okay, cool. All right, okay, cool. So when you have that few $100s, don't over diversify. That's the first. Second, like, do your own research for which altcoin is the best for you to go in with size. When I say with size, and you get those airdrops money, going 80% into that only altcoin.
Okay.
80%. Try to DCA into that 1 or 2 altcoins. Like, DCA heavily into that. And if you have more money in December, in January from work, and if you're a student, right? You're a student, go work part-time. Like, bro, go to work because you need more money to ape next year. Like, you need more money. And I'm talking from experience. I'm a student. So don't miss out. Like, go out there, go find job because you're gonna need more money, okay? And from there you're gonna start getting heavy and have a very, very big bag of altcoins. My opinion is, if you have $500 and below, only look into 1 or 2 coins, maybe
Okay.
1 coin, maybe 2 coins. Okay, go heavy into that coin. Like, go 80%, 70% into coins and hold it. And when it starts to get dip and a bit more and more dip, starts to scaling in more and more, and then just sit. You don't need to do much. Don't buy freaking gamble coins. Don't ape into fast coin trying to turn that $200 into $400. Don't fucking do that.
Okay.
If you got that airdrop money and you go to BullX and you buy coins and you sell coins, bro, and you round trip, bro, I'm gonna be so mad because you just waste opportunity. I'm gonna be so mad.
I made a mistake with my dog. You remember the dog they dropped?
Yeah.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I that was when Tron plays just came to meme coin. So I tried to ape like a few, and I lost it all.
You see what happened? Don't fucking do that again, bro. Because why? Because why do I say this? I did that, bro. I fucking did that with my Arbitrum airdrop. I got $2,000 from that airdrop. Fucking $2,000. Free money. I don't do much. I just mint NFT. That was like last 2 years ago. I just mint freaking NFT and I got that 2,000 airdrops and I was like, shit. Then I start to trade with $200. I start to trade here, trade there, and then in a period of 2 months, I lost it all. I was like, "What the fuck did I do?" Don't do this mistake, bro. Don't do that. Okay? I'm talking from advice here. Be fucking patient because next year your alt's gonna print. It's gonna fucking print. So to answer your second question, hope I'm not late by then. You're not gonna be late until I can say March 2025. If it's already March 2025, you're fucking late. Okay? So now you're still not late. You still have like 99 days going to, like 100 days going to 2025. Go fucking work. Go do freelance job. Go be a moderator and gain money. Like go do shit and gain more money, right? And how do you suggest I trade and balance school, work? Don't fucking trade if you don't know how to trade. Don't fucking trade if you don't have money. Don't fucking trade if you're in school. This
Man,
is for real.
I mean, this like the first board I've experienced. So I just don't want to miss out. So that's why I'm trying hard to like to get into it because I just knew crypto like February this year and it's the
Library.
bull run. I just don't want to
Okay.
miss out.
Okay. So you're new to crypto, so don't freaking trade at all. Like the best thing you can do is buy and fucking hold. Like, yeah, bro. I don't know what to say. Like, please don't round trip. Please don't lose that money. Just buy and freaking hold. And if you're a student, my only advice is go work. Find a skill that you can increase the value on that, and go find people that are willing to give you money. Like
Okay.
I'm here in this place. I can make YouTube. I can make content. I can speak. I can do charts. I can do VC stuff like that. People pay money to me for that. I work with SC. I work with XC for this, and XC see the value in me, and he thought to himself like, bro, I need to get this guy on board into XC's lab because this guy brings tons of value and potential, and we're gonna work together. And he did that to me, and yeah, here I am. 4 months in with the lab, like 5 months now, almost 5 months. So find a skill that you can take advantage of and go work for 3-4 months. You will get the money at the end of the month. Don't care at all. Bet more into your alts, and then just fucking sit and sell like Q3 next year. That's my advice.
Okay,
Sorry, I
thank
spent too
you
much
very
time
much.
talking about you, but
No,
yeah,
no.
yeah.
Sorry, I just have one more. I hope you'll be
Yep.
offended. I just have like one more question.
Mhm.
Um, uh, so yeah, I don't know how to put it to you now. I
Yeah.
mean, how,
I'm here,
uh,
bro.
okay, if, if, if you, s- if you have, if I have access, number one, if I have access to a platform where they have like, 85% accuracy, because there's this platform I'm on. It was recorded by Spotify that they have like 85% accuracy in their trades, and there's like constant profits all the time. And I mean,
Don't
I've
believe
been
that.
with this guy for
Don't
like
believe that.
almost 6 months, and I've been in their
Don't believe
private chats for almost 6 months, and I've been seeing how they've been having different X's. I don't know if you've heard of Meta Caller. So that was the guy I came across, and he's always been having good trades. I mean, very, very good one. And I mean, having the kind of mindset and being in that kind of community, don't you think it's the kind of advisable to like even put a little fun there, or you just advise I just keep myself off and I
If
just
here's the thing. If you want to trade, go fucking learn how to trade. Don't follow any freaking one. Don't like if you want to learn how to trade, go fucking learn how to trade.
okay.
Don't fall for people that are saying I have 85% win rate, and you see it, like you saw it. Oh shit, he win on this trade. He win on this trade. He win on this trade. It doesn't matter. If people can follow other people and trade and win with them, everyone will be doing that. But why doesn't it happen? Because when you follow people and you trade by yourself, it's not going to be the same outcome. You don't have the mentality of that person. You don't have the psychology of that person. You don't have the skill as that person. You don't have the experience as that person. You don't have this
Yeah,
risk management of that person. You don't have the freaking same portfolio as that person. So your trade on your own by following other people is just going to ruin yourself. I did that with my Forex, with stock market, with crypto. Last 2 years. Because I know crypto 2020, 2021. And of course, after the bull run, I made tons of money. And when I start to lose money, I doubt myself. I doubt myself, and I look at everyone else. I was looking, oh shit, this guy always printing money, and I start following, not follow like blindly. I start, okay, look at this, and then I develop some bias, and then I did this, do that, but end up he wins, but I lose. Why? Because I don't have the same skill as that guy did, even though he gave me signal, even though he gave me trade. Because when you trade by yourself, and that's what a trader does, you don't trade for other people. You trade for yourself to gain your own money.
Yeah.
Then what's wrong? What's wrong with taking some time off the table and go learn how to fucking trade? Now you develop more skill, and people will see you more valuable. And now you can trade on your own.
Yeah.
Right? You're a student, bro. You're a student from Nigeria. You have like such a bright future ahead. And I don't doubt you have such a bright future ahead. You're young. Learn how to trade. Learn how to go to prop firm trading. Learn how to trade forex. Learn how to trade stock market. Learn about economy. Go out there and fucking learn. This is where you will outperform by all of your friends. I have my friends going to freaking waterfall today, and I'm sitting here talking VC with you guys. I'm posting charts. Because that's what I want to do. That's what I'm dying to do, because this is my passion. And here I am. So I don't mind people my age going to have fun, because this is my fun. This is my fun. This is fun to me, you know? So go out there and learn how to trade. Make it fun for you. And when you learn how to trade and you reach that 2, 3 years, 4 years experience, you're going to look at what I said, and you're gonna thank me.
Definitely.
Like
Definitely.
I don't fucking allow you to follow anyone. Like, that's my advice. Even if that person have 100% winning accuracy, don't learn. Don't follow. Go fucking learn. Go to YouTube. Go to search somewhere. Like, listen to 1 hour YouTube videos about this, about that, and take notes. I have 4 books full of notes for 4 years. It's full of notes. I'm learning this, learning that, learning indicators, learning Ichimoku, learning bunch of stuff. I'm everywhere. And then I found my niche. And then I found this, and then I found that, and then I start to sit with myself. So you need to go through it, okay? Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Enjoy it.
Do you have some pointers for me, please, Bobby? I could just use
Somewhat.
to start. Do you have a few pointers for me, Bobby? I could use to start learning, or
How to
even
trade?
it could be, yeah, on trades. It's going to be some project or some project that you just suggest.
Yeah.
I
Do you know how to read charts?
You said?
Do you know how to read charts? Like how to
Yeah,
do?
I learned that. Yeah, yes, that was like last year. I learned that from ICT. I don't even know him. I learned how to read charts to an extent. It's just that for like few months I've not been on FX because I came
Forex, yeah,
across,
forex, yeah.
yes, I came across crypto and all of that, but I have basics of knowing how to read charts.
Good. That's good. That's a skill. That's a skill. Now, what I want you to do is, don't you think 1 year is enough? Don't. It's not enough. I want you to get more exposure. Go and like find a community, trading
Okay.
community, okay, like real trading community, and be with them. Find out how to trade and develop your own system. Like, I developed my own system after reading, I don't know, 4 or 5 books. And my system I developed from trading stock market. Like, if you guys can see, I trade stock market before. I monitor a lot of like SPX stuff like that. I trade Tesla, bunch of stuff. So that's where I developed like this is 4 years ago. I developed my trading strategy, stuff like that. But of course, going into crypto, different assets have different like strategy to trade. And that's what I did. I explore myself and try to sit down and find my own system, going day by day, and I jot down notes. So like, one of the tips that I can give to you is develop your own system. How you want to trade the market and stick to it. how I trade the market. I personally trade the market. I want to buy in accumulation. Like this kind of coin, I want to be a master of finding this kind of coin, finding accumulation, finding a good accumulation, finding a good coin that is about to do markup. And this is where I have my advantage. And I learned this from Jesse Livermore.
Jesse Livermore.
Yes, Jesse Livermore, and also Market Stages book. I forgot.
Jesse Pink.
Yeah, Stan Weinstein. This is bro. This is where I learned. 4Stage. Stan Weinstein, not Jesse Livermore. Here, this guy's an OG, bro. So he developed this thesis, and I learned from this. I have the book. This is where I start to develop my thesis. Like this is 2 years ago, but it doesn't start to click until this is 3 years ago, but it doesn't start to click like last 2 years, and that's where I start to take advantage of stuff like this. So now what you need to do is do the same thing. Find what you're good at. Find what you're good at, what you like, what you tend to do, and sit with the community, because you don't have to sit with your friends. Find the people in the industry. Don't sit with for your friends and try to fit in where you belong to. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Cool. I love your help. No problem, man. No problem.
These were all facts,
All right.
bro. You need to listen to Bobby.
Yeah,
I love how he
100.
teaches you things. For real.
Thank you,
Thanks, man.
Bobby.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
No problem. Let's
Bobby.
moving on. There was
Bobby, I
some
sent
FUD.
a
Kate from
picture.
Yo.
I asked a question. If you answer it, please.
Yeah, is it in this chat?
Yeah, it's in the chat. It's a new
Let's take it.
question.
Yeah,
I want to go drink water. And I've been sitting
Where is it?
here
Where's
for
the picture,
30
bro?
minutes. Like,
Oh, here, this one.
yeah.
What are those? Plus XXX?
What's that? They added what? Like
This one?
It's just
This one?
yeah.
Oh, you want to know what's this?
What's that?
I don't want to tell you, bro. It's a secret.
Is that good?
Nah, this is what this mean is people adding to liquidity.
Oh,
Yeah,
Is
they're
that-
adding to liquidity.
is that bullish or bearish? Like,
Of course, that's bullish. They're locking their token, but of course they can release it anytime they want. This is what we call adding to liquidity. They're adding to here like this one, total liquidity. They can go to radium. They can go to radium because why? Because this is radium, right? You can see this is radium, right? So if I go to
Yeah.
radium, and wait, let me go to radium.
it's
Shit.
actually
Let
a
me just
new
go- let me just-
project. It's not a meme coin. I'm so bullish
Uncle.
on it.
Bro, Uncle, don't look into new coins, bro. Stay away from new coins, please.
No,
For
I ate
God's
the
sake.
small.
Please, don't. Just don't do that. Don't do that, bro. My advice to you is
All right.
stay away from new coins, bro.
Okay,
Please.
brother.
I don't want to see you fall down, bro.
Love you, man.
Yeah, this is the part. This is the liquidity part. Radium, okay. Fine, maybe there is coin like Ponky, and see you can add to liquidity, blah 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 blah. You get fees like 24 hours. Then you can deposit here. So when people deposit here, what is the advantage of doing this? They will gain fees from volume. From the volume generated each day, they will gain fees.
Ooh.
Yeah, they
I've
can.
heard
So
one.
so people tend to put liquidity into something that is pumping super hard because they can get like tons of multiples of APR,
Yeah,
or they put liquidity into coins that will pump the longest. Like you see, Popcat is consistently like having 3.7 million volume every day, something like that. That's why the liquidity is super high, and of course it's like similar to the market cap. But look at WIF. With market cap 15 million, 1.7, the volume is quite low. they tend to add liquidity to this kind of project. But when you put liquidity, you cannot put like small amount. Of course, people put 50,000 into it, 20,000 into this, and they must have Soul, they must have Ponky, both of them. 15,000, 15,000, 100,000, 100,000, something like that. So they put like big amount and they gain the APR. So I'm not sure what's the APR. It's different. So that's the advantage of it.
Thanks for explaining, man.
No
Actually,
problem.
someone taught me this before, but I didn't know how it's done.
Yeah,
Told
I
me
don't
right
know
now.
how to go into detail, but I think this is the way they put into Radium like this. You can
Yeah, I
take it.
got it. Thanks.
But Uncle, stay fucking away from new coins, bro. Please.
Alright, bro.
Please, right? Okay, cool.
Of course.
What up,
You
the guy?
Hi, how you doing, Bobby?
Yeah, doing good.
Yeah, you said stay away from new coins. Like,
Yeah.
now, how long does a new coin need to stay for you to start trusting them?
Good fucking question. I was waiting for that because I was thinking, doesn't people like being curious about it? Like, how long do I think is long enough? You were asking that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cool. So when people ask me how long do I think is long enough, chart will say it to me. It will say it to me. Like if I look into Ponky, let's look into Retardio, for example.
Alright, Retardio.
Okay. I have, like, some people have questioned, how do we find coins that is at this level? Okay? That's been pumping for continuously for 26 days, for a month. That's a good. So what I mean by long enough, like coin that are having a very good duration, is coin that is having a bullish and healthy chart for at least 1 month, minimum 1 month. Because why? Community doesn't form in 2 weeks, bro. People that bought during the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, the first week, they're gonna sell in third week, fourth week when the chart doesn't move. If you want a coin that really, like, if you want to hold, of course you want to hold coin, right? And you want to hold coin that is having conviction and give you money back in 10x, 20x, stuff like that. 10x and 20x doesn't come from two things. It doesn't come from other stuff except gambling and also sitting with conviction and proper analysis. So I don't tend to do gambling because that's where I lose money. I look for analysis and it works. It fucking works. So why don't we stay into that and not looking into gambling? You don't know much into a project that's just launched 2 weeks, right? Even coin like look at coin like NUP, for example. Even coin like this that already it pumped, right? It pumped straight away after launch. After launch, straight away. This is a daily chart. You see, there is no consolidation prior after launch. It just launched fucking straight away. Then this happened. If I were you, I won't ape in the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. No. I won't get into NUP at all. What I want to see is the chart form and accumulation. I don't care how long is the accumulation. Like, another great example is Mumu. You see NUP pumps straight away after launch, right? NUP pumps straight away after launch. But let's look at Mumu. Mumu doesn't pump. It doesn't pump, bro. It doesn't have that big pump. It just go like only 10x, and then look at what happened. Look at how long it starts to accumulate. 100 days. And I noticed about Mumu from here because it's kind of similar to what Ponky did. So I noticed about Mumu around this price, and I see the chart like this. It looks like this. Oh, I see. Okay, Mumu very bullish, and the team is looking good. It's already been you see, almost more than a month, and I see this pump to the highs, and I thought it's gonna break out, right? So I bought something around here, but then I hold. It starts to go into drawdown, and it gets more and more bullish when it starts to consolidate, and that's where I decided, okay, I'm gonna go heavy into this because big people is looking into this coin, and the accumulation just get juicier and juicier over time. You see the higher the higher highs here, the lows is getting higher and higher and higher. This is pure accumulation. You see, like I said, my skill, what I want to develop, and I've been developing this whole time, is I want to be good at finding a coin that is in accumulation. And I buy during this accumulation, and look at what happened. It fucking ripped. Like I start my final position is around this price, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, people don't sell around this highs, but I sell some at this high after it retrace, and I sell some at this price. And good for me. That's already I bought here, and then I bought around this price, if I'm not mistaken. That's already 10x for me. Just by sitting. I just sit. Easy money, bro. Easy money. And of course, 10x, I don't say 10x on $200. No. I have size into this. So people ask me, okay, how long should I wait? How long should I? Long enough for the chart to show you it's looking good. Long enough for the chart to show you it's looking good. Another good example, like this. Okay, this is a new coin, right? This is a new coin. If I look into new coins and I really, really want that fast money, at least after launch, I want to see this accumulation. I want to see this consolidation. At least, not just pump straight away. You get it? You guys get it? Of course, it can be 50 minutes, it can be like big time frame, but I avoid new launch because I know the success rate for this kind of accumulation to succeed is super low. How many charts in 15 minutes chart that you know is going to hold and pump and not just break down lower? Super low, right? That's not a lot of coin that are doing this. So that's why I tend to go into analysis of finding a cult community, finding good holders, finding chart that is good, finding a very ripe chart, like ripe, super ripe chart that's looking very bullish for pumps, stuff like that. So I tend to avoid lower time frame and I sit in daily chart. That's just me, and I be strict. I'm very strict with that. Hence, you see my top coin in the watch list is mid cap. Ponky, Wave, Giga, Retardio, Michi, Harambe, Mumu. This is another coin. I'm not sure. Mini. This coin is what I'm saying. Accumulation. Like you see Mini here. Like you see Mumu, right? You see Mini here. Isn't this an accumulation, guys? Isn't this an accumulation? This is a very big accumulation, by the way. Big accumulation. So I look at this smaller accumulation period. Yeah, this part. And it's sitting in that accumulation for how long now?
What time frame is this?
Daily.
Daily time
Daily
frame.
chart.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
The lowest I'll go in crypto is 4 hours. That's just me. And alhamdulillah, it's good. It's good. I tend to make more money because I gamble less. People gamble because they want to make money in short period of time. In 1 week, in few days, in few hours. The attention span is super low. But if you have money, if you have 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 30,000, 40, 50,000, 100,000, stay away from new launch. Get your first 100,000, get your first 500,000 million, 500,000 US dollars. Make your money from mid cap, and then if you have extra money and you want to ape like some of the stuff, you reach that level that you can like waste money on other stuff and you don't care about losing $1,000, $2,000. Okay, that's good enough. But if you have 1,000, 2,000 and you want to aim into small place, like don't. If you have 2,000, aim for 10,000. And don't aim by gambling, by do analysis, by good research. If you have 10,000, aim for the next $100,000. That's your target. And how you want to achieve that target? By playing safe and taking proper risk. You don't want to lose that 10,000 in a gamble play. So my advice is, if you have money, treat yourself like you have money. Don't treat yourself like a gambler. Gambler know they will lose money. Only a good gambler wins. In crypto, there is no such thing as a good gambler. This thing is super high risk. It's either you're a good trader or you're not. And face the fact if you're not a good trader. And if you're not a good trader, play safe. I don't want to see any single one of you here lose money. In my channel, in Axie's lab, I don't want to see anyone lose money. That's the last thing. That's not the last thing. That's not even the thing that I want to see. So, my advice: stay away from new launch. If by God will you guys want to put money into new launch, and I did sometime myself, I do that. My advice: separate your fucking wallet. Separate your wallet. You have conviction bags in one wallet or two wallets, a gamble bag. Not more than 15% or 10% of your capital. If you have 1,000, only take $100 to ape into new launch. Ape $50 here, ape $50 there. Because why? Because you can lose that. Only put like take small portion of it. So that's my advice. Of course, you cannot fade new launch that are having conviction, blah blah blah, losing opportunity. Of course, yeah. Hence, my advice is separate your wallet and put only 20% in there and 80% on your big conviction. Don't go 50% into gambling new launch because I want to make more money. Guess what? You're gonna lose more money. So don't do that. All right. That's my answer to how long. How long relevant to the chart. I love chart. That's just me. Is it good, the guy?
Hey, Bobby, how's it going?
That's good.
Thanks. Yo, thank you.
I was looking. I was in one project. I think I stayed for over a month, but maybe you should check the chart to see if it's like a good if it has good accumulation.
Yeah.
NBC.
What's the chart?
NBC. Just check NBC. Mutants Boys Club.
PC.
Yeah, NBC.
Solana, Ethereum.
Solana. Not NBC. MBC. Mutant Boys Club.
Oh, MBC. MBC. My bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So
see, this is accumulation. You see the chart on Mumu like this, similar to stuff like this, and it starts to pump. Okay, this is accumulation. Now, what it is doing is testing the accumulation breakout. This is the accumulation breakout. It breaks out this price. This is a fake out, right? Fake out, then starts to retrace, and then goes to a very big pump on early September. Then it's retracing. Of course, just 1 month into the project. So I don't know much about this project, but it's looking good if it holds. Otherwise, this is bad. This is a good accumulation because this, I cannot lie, this is a very good accumulation, like a month of accumulating and higher lows. You see, right? This is a daily chart. When this stuff happened, it took a lot of time, 1 whole month for this consolidation to happen, and then the breakout starts to move. So this breakout is really well deserved for people that are holding, and that's how you place it.
I was doing 600K.
Yeah, good, and sort of like sitting in 400. So what you want to see is, of course, when it pumps, if you don't take profits, that's silly, that's stupid. Okay, I already see this is like a 10x from the bottom here. 6x. I mean, from the bottom. Yeah,
there was a 10x somewhere about.
For sure. 10x. Okay, cool. So if something like that happened in a very short period of time, like this pump happened in 1 to 2 days. 2 days, you get that 10x gain. Secure your profit. Secure 50% off. Because 10x, bro, 10x in 2 days. After what? After doing what? After just sitting, holding your conviction. Why don't you take your profit off? Okay, that's the first you need to think. Second, if you want to see if this can go a lot higher or not, I suggest you to look at the holders and the community. If they start to like build up more posting, the community doesn't die, people don't leave the project, then you won't see people selling at support. You won't see this consolidation. Then people just start selling at support. Personally, when I see stuff this happen in crypto a lot. It pumps, then it starts to consolidate. People ape it. They buy here, bro. They buy here. They buy here because they think, okay, this is gonna go forward. But look at what happened. They just starts to dies out and go slower. So I hate to see this kind of stuff. So the thing that I want you to focus on is first when it starts to lose the support, starts to go lower, and when it loses this trend line, bro, that's a bad sign. Of course, that's a lose of momentum. It pumps from here, but when it loses this level, when it loses this low, this demand, this is a demand here. This is a demand here. So when it loses this low, yeah, that's a bad sign. Hence why you need to take profit during the pump.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. So good one. Thank you for pointing out. Yes, this is a good chart indeed. So I just hate to see this kind of chart dies down. So secure your profits.
Yeah, and
right?
also the team has been like building a whole lot. Like they have this what's it called? This coin flip thing that they introduced to other communities, not just the community in the team. So they introduced like coin flips where you put in your coin against another player's coin, and then you begin to have like whoever wins it takes all, and you get then I think 1% gets burnt automatically.
They have the some project going on, right?
Yeah, they have like a really good thing going on, and then I think they're planning on exchange listed. So.
Okay, cool, good stuff. So if that happened, good for you. But of course, when you're in profit that quick, remember to take your profits off, okay? Because the retrace is gonna happen. Anything that pumps is gonna freaking retrace, okay?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Hey, brother, how you doing?
Who's that?
Assassino, how you doing?
Assassino, bro. I saw your PM me, right? But I didn't reply yet. I'm sorry.
No, all good, man. I do. If you have some time, I do have a question, and there's a similar chart. It's Pepe on Sol.
Pepe on Sol. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think so.
Can I give you the whole thing about it? So
this one?
I can really see it. It's sitting at 1 million. I'm actually no, that's not it.
Which one? Let's find it first. This one.
I'm on my phone, so I can really see that much. No, it's not that one.
Wait, I think you sent something, right?
I did.
Snapchat.
That was it, I think.
Where was it? Oh my god. Can you send it again?
Bro, you already passed it once, so.
Already?
I'm on my phone, so I can really.
Wait, hold on. Let me find it. Let me help you. Hold on. We don't have much message here. Okay, I see it. This one. Okay.
So it's been out about for like 2 years.
2 years. Oh shit! This is like an OG coin stuff.
Yeah, it's actually the first Pepe on, even before the one on Ethereum.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
And so it has about 26,000 holders.
Bro, that's a lot. Okay. So you want my view on it?
Yes.
I think. Wait, let me check. Let me check the. Good following. Joined August 2021. Deployed January 2023. Here's the proof. 10 months ago. 1 year ago. Higher active, bro. They're active. Okay, good sign. They're not dying.
So I'm actually part of the team already, because I've been with the community for about 6-8 months.
Damn, bro, you're the definition of cult community.
Yeah. I'm putting a ton of work to this, and yeah, I mean, I just want to take your advice on it.
It's looking good, to be honest. It's looking good. This is a log chart, by the way. You cannot see this with like regular chart. I turned that
Right.
logarithm chart. It's looking good because after the recent pump from the bottom, we see two pumps here. One pump, first pump was on 2023, and I think this is like similar to the Pepe on Ethereum pump. We
Right.
saw the 15x from it,
Right.
and then the second pump from the bottom here, like give super tons of like 300x from the
They
bottom.
took
So
they took it from 40K to like 25 million.
crazy. So that was during the Pepe hype, right?
Right. Yeah.
So the hype is gonna come back around, especially with this kind of coin that is strong and the team is still building. And I'm watching the weekly chart here. Like I said, the bigger the pump, like the bigger the accumulation is gonna come. The bigger the consolidation. So after a 300x, what do you expect? When it will go another 10x from there? Of course not.
Yeah.
Right? Of course, it will go through the period of consolidation. So now it has been in consolidation for February to September. Okay, good. There's only like 200 days going to end of year, and if we can see right now, it's like testing really good level that it breaks out before. One level, one touch, two touch, and then it breaks out, retesting the same level. If we can see the same hype on Pepe, because that's how the liquidity comes. You see the pump here starts in February, right? February it pumps, and look at what happened to Pepe on Sol. February it pumps, right? You see the similarity here?
Mm-hmm.
So the hype is similar. So if we can see the Pepe, the main Pepe on Ethereum that have a lot of attention and billions market cap, if this get a hold, we can see Pepe on Sol, the OG one, the true ones, start to take gain more attention because crypto. This is the truth. It is embedded in the blockchain that this is the true Pepe before the Ethereum one.
Right.
So it's just a matter of people noticing back. So how do people notice this? Is when Pepe on Ethereum starts to get attention. Then you guys ride the hype to take attention to Pepe on Solana. Right now, there is no attention on any Pepe at all. So it doesn't make
Not
any
at
sense
all.
for you guys
Right.
to come out of nowhere, right? Yeah.
Yep.
So, yep, good. So I like the chart. Good chart. I love it. I just want to say good luck to the community because it's not easy to manage a coin that is almost going 2 years. Good luck to you too, Axesino.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. We actually had 2 days ago. We had someone buying 100 Solanas right at the bat. So yeah, just working with the community and stuff. Putting the word out there.
Yep. That's the best thing. Working with the community.
Appreciate it,
Good.
man. Yep.
No problem, dude.
I want to add something quickly.
Yeah.
This okay. This Pepe and so. Can you go back to the chart, please?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So
Yeah.
if I'm going to use like order block to find like an entry for this, should I be looking at yeah, exactly. So should I be looking at
I know order block, yeah.
So should I be looking at that zone, or I still need to I still need to focus on like the fundamentals if Pepe on this thing get hype before we hit the order block.
So this order block for me, if it wants to get filled, it doesn't make sense. Because why? That's already another 90% drawdown from the current price.
Okay.
Yeah. You see this? This is a log chart. This is a logarithm chart.
Ooh.
So,
okay.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. This makes sense after it dropped. Like this already dropped 97% from the highs. from 26 million to 600K.
It's 80.
This
Yeah.
makes sense. Yeah. So to drop even 90% more, it can do that, but this Pepe will die.
Okay, so that means we have to see.
Yeah,
They'll have to
the big
see hold
sellers
recurrent resistance.
and the holders are like massive holders holding the coin. So I personally don't see it just go to this order block. And order block doesn't mean it will get filled. That's the fact of order block, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, true.
Okay, good. You know it. Cool. Thank you for asking the question.
Hey, bro.
Yo, Unc, what up?
What you think about Bill?
My thoughts on the same thing. I was wondering why. Only if you know, you know.
Yeah. You know,
my thoughts
one of
on
my
Bill.
boys want to know. He's shy to ask.
Yeah. My thoughts on Bill. I see some good.
My friend want to know. I did an ape, you know.
This is like more to conviction play that just if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it just dies out. You just risk more money on it, and you just lose money. For Bill, what it's doing, what I'm looking interesting to Bill is some
bottomed out, retraced.
Bottom out, but that's not the main
pump.
thing. The main thing is the team is accumulating the token. That's the main stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the main stuff. The team is accumulating the token. Yeah. Of course, some token itself, even when the team accumulate the token and it still dies down because they don't have much attention, I still see Bill can gain a lot of attention if they start to push more content out, and they're still posting content, which is the good stuff. And why do I see this happen? Because look at what happened to Bill after launch. It launched. It doesn't even have a day of accumulation, but it just pumped from 400 into 10 million. And then it starts to pump to 50 million. That's 100x. So it makes sense to go into this drawdown. People take profit and just people think it's going to die. The team is still well alive. See some good wallet accumulating, expecting that is a team, of course. Expecting that to start to push later on, and this is going to be a very long-term play and very risky play. It can go even lower and lower and lower, and who knows where the bottom is. But if it starts to bottom out and make an accumulation, that's what I want to see and where I will start to size up. I do still have a lot, not a lot, like small amount of Billy, because I want to see proof. And if it can, this accumulation pattern starts to play out, good. Much better. And we're getting an early entry. That's another, how much is that? 20x to the top from 2 million. Good. So I just want to see accumulation. All I can say from Bill is accumulation. I need to see accumulation. If it starts to die down, and yeah, this is another project that dies.
All right, brother. Thanks.
All right, good. Thank you for the question. With Bobby, what are your opinions on Cabal versus CTO? Any thoughts on Nero CTO versus Nero Cabal? The thing about Cabal is people don't understand what Cabal means. Cabal just means people that have connections, people that have money. That's all. That's all you get from Cabal. And why do I mean Cabal is important somehow? Because how do you get the chart to pump without money? That's what Cabal did. They pump the chart. They pump the chart and they take profits. That's what they do. So my thought on Nero is now look at what happened to Nero on ETH. Nero CTO. This is what I meant by when the chart shows you, it will show you. And look at what happened. When it shows you, it shows you. The chart looks like it wants to die down, but then it gets like a Binance listing out of nowhere. I do think these people say, oh, this is the community. This is the Cabal, bro. How do they fucking get a Binance listing at 20 million market cap? They must have some sort of insider. I don't care. I don't care if you ask me, oh, this is the community's work. Then what about like Giga? You don't think Giga have community? Why doesn't it have like Binance listing yet? Giga has a 160 million market cap. Nero is on 20 million. That's a cabal. So you're confusing yourself with like, oh, this is a Nero cabal, this is a Nero CTO because people said so. No. Cabal means people with connection. Cabal means people with money. This is a cabal. Okay? Do you guys get what I mean? How do you fucking get a Binance listing at 20 million market cap, new coin, with just 1 month, and this is cabal profiting from the pump to the X. Crazy money. So yeah. People said to me, oh, this is the city, this is the Nero CTO, bro. This is a community takeover. We don't have in depth. Yeah, but you have connections. That's cabal for me. So
That's
don't get it twisted, right?
takeover.
Yeah, cabal takeover.
Or
Good shit.
Chinese
Good
takeover.
shit. Yeah.
Chinese
Oh, I'm gonna give you that, bro. Good. That's the community takeover.
Bro, like
That's
Nero,
cabal takeover, bro.
they fucking listed it on Binance, the fake one. It pumps like 10x.
They listed the
Chinese takeover.
Nero the Nero cabal on perps, on perpetuals.
Yeah.
But now they listed like spot for Nero CTO. But yeah, that's a Chinese state. Like, I don't want to be racist, but that they have pictures and proof, right?
That's the real
But
cabal,
this is the cabal takeover. Yeah, this is the real cabal takeover. So don't get confused. What do you guys mean on cabal?
And there's this Nero on Soul. I don't know your take on it. There's another Nero on Soul.
Nero.
Yeah, you know when the first Nero went parabolic, this one followed, and we saw the die out around, I think, was it 40 to 50 million, and we're currently seeing, I think, 19 million. Yeah. This one.
So things like this, like there's going to be tons of similar coin. Like you can see, for example, Pepe. Some Pepe win, some Pepe lose. Some Nero win, some Nero lose. Some dog would have, like, if I search for whiff, there's a bunch of whiff. See, dog will have. Which one is the true one? You cannot choose and sit. You must have proof. My proof is chart. My proof is chart. My proof is chart. That's all I can say. So you can bet, you can say whatever. Oh, this Pepe is true. This Pepe is not. This Nero is true. This Ponke is true. This Whiff. This Rotario. This is the first Popcat. This is the Popcat CTO. This is the true Michi. You can say what you want, but the chart will pump to whatever the chart wants to pump at. So you don't want to be missed out on stuff like that and just sit and cry at the corner. Oh, this is the first one. I want this to pump. Don't do that. Okay, find opportunity and grab it. Like, don't make. Of course, you can make your own opportunity, but you cannot make it on your own. You need to have team. You need to have connection. You need to have this. You need to have a proper plan. That's what you mean by opportunity. But just by blaming and stuff like that, you'll be left behind. So that's what I can say though. But good. Of course, there is like multiple coin of similar name, but you need to only look at charts. That's just my take. Of course, you can look at community and stuff like that, but that's just me though.
Hello there, Bobby.
I need. Yo, Nelly, I see you now. What up?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, could you do a briefly technical analysis on CT Sharp?
What?
It's crypto Twitter chart.
I cannot hear you, bro.
You can hear me?
Can you type it in the chat?
Yeah, sure, bro.
All right, cool. Do you have any app for portfolio review or management? Oh, you can use Asset Dash. Asset Dash. Hey, I'm starting a DGen. Where do I start? Yeah, you can learn from my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
I posted it. Yeah, this one, Axis Lab. Almost reaching 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm super proud, bro. Damn. I think I want to go because it's like been an hour. I need to start my day. I need to go to the gym. I need to do my work. I need to do YouTube videos now. C teacher. Okay, that's gonna be one of the last one. I think. Thank you for voicing out.
I wanted to ask something. Never mind.
Oh, sorry for that, bro. CT chart. Okay, good shit. I see some strength in here. I don't know about the team, but if I look at the chart, this is a good chart. The lowest I go like 8 hours, 4 hours. I like how the chart is holding up despite the market is dumping, and it's already been 20 days. Okay, not so long, quite new, just few weeks, like 3 weeks. Chart like this, it's either it's gonna make it or break it. Like it's either gonna pump super hard or it just dies down, and the hype just dies with it. So, from my opinion, if I don't care if I see an accumulation or not, if I see an accumulation, I need to see a breakout. That's all I can see. If it doesn't break out, it doesn't interest me at all. So I just want to see a breakout. All right, a good chart. This is a good chart. I like how the chart is holding up, and the good holder ratio 3,000, 20 days, 3 weeks chart. I like it. I like it. Right. Good. That's for you, CT. Bobby, another masterclass. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Saj. Oh my god, I remember you, bro. I think I'm gonna wrap it up because I need to go and start my day. Thank you so much for hopping in and jumping to ask question. Thank you for everything, guys. I don't know how much are you in here? 41. A lot. Yeah, as you can see, I haven't showered yet. I need to go shower and start my day. So thank you so much for jumping in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for asking questions. I love it. I love you guys. I love the lab. I'm gonna share the what is it called? The recording later. So you guys, anyone that missed out can listen to this. Of course, it's gonna be long, but yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Bobby.
Thanks, Bobby.
Bobby.
All right.
Thanks, Bobby.
Thank you, guys.
Boucher.
Bye. You guys are funny. All right, I'm gonna end it. That's all from Bobby. Ciao.
Bobby out.
Later.